有啲甚至覺得信仰可有可無，信則有，不信則無，即係可以虛無縹緲到咁喎。你將我哋都解俾佢聽都冇用啊！佢唔會俾任何代價噶。有啲人去搭乘巴士嚟石安都嫌遠，但係我哋當中有啲離島啊，有啲喺大陸啊，即係翻完聚會之後，仲要係漏夜上翻去大陸，都大有人在啊！你見嘅咧，大家對信仰嘅定義係咪唔同啊？雖然只係短短兩粒字，但係根本好些人佢會將信仰係用某一種程度去解讀佢嘅。
True faith walks the narrow way, not just words we choose to say. Every step a promise made, by His hand our course is stayed. Walk the road with Zion in view, feel the divine in all that you do. Hold to the truth that sets you free. Faith in action is the key.
喺我哋呢幾十年當中，一代一代咁有啲嚟，有啲走，有啲跌倒，但我唔會為佢哋而改變嘅，係佢哋迷失而唔係我迷失啊嘛。點解要我去就佢哋搞呢間教會？即係話佢係事後見到 MCU 套戲嘅一個買飛入嚟嘅人，邊有資格去改拍攝呢套戲嘅人啊？我就係啦，我就係淨將成套變成 existent， 世上冇嘅，香港從來冇咁嘅教會，歷史上都冇咁嘅教會，全世界而家都冇咁嘅教會，咁邊個有資格叫我改啊？
Love in action more than words can say, walking in truth day after day. Hearts united on the sacred ground, lifting each other when we're falling down. Uphold the principles that make us whole, write them deeply on your soul. Love one another, fulfill the law. It's the